Hey everyone, so today is Chakra Tuesday, and today we're going to pick a chakra card. So think of a question or something that you want a message for, and let's see what the message is. So this might not resonate with everyone, so just be aware. And so today's chakra card is family, belonging, community, culture, and tribe. And this is what it looks like. And it has some eggs and a nest there. So this has to do with the root chakra, which is at the base of the spine, and has to do with the material realm. So your safety, stability, security, your financial abundance, that sort of situation, how you are feeling safe within your own world. And when it has to do with family, that means that to draw on your community, your tribe, those people that can support you. So if you are kind of feeling unsupported, or maybe you're going through a difficult time right now where you might not be turning to your friends or family for the support. This is saying turn to those people that surround you, that want the best for you, that want to support you on your journey. Turn to them for guidance. Turn to them just even to vent. And as long as you are feeling safe and supported and secure, then turn to those people that love you and want to be there for you. So I hope this helped you. I will see you next time. Bye.